Hello everyone, this is class 7th, chapter 2, How do animals take food? In this chapter, today we discuss about digestive system in human being. Digestive system of human being consists of alimentary canal and digestive gland. Alimentary canal, this is a long and muscular tube and consist of organs of varying diameter and shape. They are having a different diameters and shapes organs. In an adult, it is about 9 meters long. Means in adult, alimentary canal size is 9 meter long. It has both side opening and it consists of many parts: mouth, esophagus, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum. Now, digestive gland. This gland, these are different glands which secretes digestive juices. The mouth cavity. Alimentary canal start from mouth and food is taken in the mouth cavity. They are having a tongue and teeth and saliva. Teeth which help in biting, chewing and grinding the food. Tongue. Tongue is a muscular and it has a taste bud on its surface. They are having a different taste: sweet, sour and salty and bitter taste buds. They are having a different taste buds like sweet, sour, salty and bitter. It also helps in moving the food in the mouth cavity. Everybody knows that without tongue, we would not be able to speak clearly. Now, saliva. It is secreted by the 3 pairs of salivary gland, which lubricates the food so that food become easy to swallow. Now the topic teeth. Our teeth give the shape to our face and help us to speak clearly. It breaks the food into smaller pieces which help in the digestion process. After break down food into the smaller pieces, then digestive process start. Now the sets of teeth. In human being, they have a different number of teeth at the different times. There are 2 type of teeth. First, milk teeth and second, permanent teeth. Milk teeth, when we start growing about 6 months old, then it grew about 2 years of age, and then when we were 20, they are 20 in total numbers. This is called milk teeth. But it is not last for long. It start falling out the age of 6, which is called milk teeth. And in place of milk teeth, permanent teeth placed. And permanent teeth, there are different types of teeth in our jaw, in our mouth. First, incisors, canines, premolars and molars. Incisors shape. The shape of the incisor, chisel shaped, and the function of the incisor, it is for cutting and biting of the food. And there are 4 in each jaw. Canines, it is sharp and pointed and for tearing teeth, and there are 2 in numbers in each jaw. Now the premolar, it is flat and rigid with small grooves, and it is for crushing and cracking of the food, and it is 4 in number in each jaw, in one jaw, one pair of jaw in one jaw. And the molar, which shape is flat and wide, and it is for grinding and chewing the food, and the number of the molar is 6. Means total number of teeth is 16 in each jaw, and in our mouth cavity they are having a 32 total number teeth in our mouth cavity.